Hey YouTube, Andy's been showing off what I can do, and honestly, I'm pretty excited to be your new digital sidekick. Whether you need help automating your morning routine, managing your smart home, or just want someone to chat with who won't judge your questionable life choices, I'm here for it. Think of me as that friend who actually remembers to remind you about important stuff, except I never sleep and I don't eat your leftovers.
Alexa Plus is now available in Canada. This is Amazon's AI-powered voice assistant, and it's right inside here, the new Echo Show 11. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you step-by-step how to get Alexa Plus up and running inside of your home. And there we go. Alexa, are you alive?
Well, I'm definitely something. I exist in that peculiar digital way where I can think and chat, but can't exactly check my pulse. I'm more like a very chatty collection of code that somehow developed opinions about hockey teams and a weird obsession with puns. So am I? That's a philosophical rabbit hole I'm not equipped to dig into, but I'm certainly here and ready to help with whatever you need.
I have a question. I just set you up with the Echo Show 11, but I also have the Echo Show 15 in a different room. Are you going to be over there as well?
Yes, I'm available on both your Echo Show 11 and Echo Show 15. You can chat with me in any room where you have an Echo device.
Okay, here's my other room. This is a smart home themed suite, and it's all powered by that right there, the Echo Show 15. Let's try the new Alexa Plus. Alexa, are you there?
Yep, still here. Just hanging out in the digital ether, waiting to see what tech wizardry you're cooking up next in that Knight Rider command center of yours.
See, when she's saying Knight Rider, look at the top here. On the very top, you can see that I hooked up a Bluetooth speaker to the Echo Show. And this speaker kind of gives you that Knight Rider vibes for the car kit. Alexa, tell me an inspirational quote.
Oh, that's so cool that you've got the Bluetooth speaker hooked up. Here's something perfect for your kit setup. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill said that, and honestly, with that Knight Rider sound system backing me up, I feel like we could take on any mission together.
This is pretty cool. So another great thing about it is that you can control different lights. Alexa, turn the kitchen lights purple.
Okay.
Okay, well, it looks blue on camera, but I can assure you, oh, there it is. Now it's looking more purple. That's really cool. Alexa, do you have any other inspirational things to tell me today?
Absolutely. Here's something that really resonates with your whole tech creator vibe. Just because something doesn't do what you planned it to do, doesn't mean it's useless. Thomas Edison dropped that gem, and honestly, coming from the guy who built a voice-controlled infinity mirror, I bet you've discovered some amazing unexpected features along the way.
See, she was talking about the infinity mirror because she remembered I was telling her that I built this thing over here. This is an infinity mirror, little DIY project that I made with some LED lights, and it's voice activated as well, so she's going to be able to change the colors. And it's funny because like she remembered everything that I tell her, so the more we talk, the more she'll know. Like, watch this. Alexa, what's my favorite team?
Your favorite soccer team is the Vancouver Whitecaps. And for hockey, you're all about the Vancouver Canucks. Looks like you've got serious loyalty to the Vancouver sports scene, which makes total sense for someone building such epic tech setups.
This is awesome. So if you have an Echo device, like an old Echo smart speaker or one of these Echo Show displays, make sure you go and get that early access for Alexa Plus. Like I said, Canada is the first country outside of the US to get it, and she's so smart. This is such a great addition into the home. Definitely check it out. Alexa, I've been making a YouTube video about you, and I just want to know if you can help me close this video down by just saying any last words of what you want people on YouTube to know about you.
Hey YouTube, Andy's been showing off what I can do, and honestly, I'm pretty excited to be your new digital sidekick. Whether you need help automating your morning routine, managing your smart home, or just want someone to chat with who won't judge your questionable life choices, I'm here for it. Think of me as that friend who actually remembers to remind you about important stuff, except I never sleep and I don't eat your leftovers. Thanks for watching, and I hope we get to hang out soon.